Hi there guys, vlog number 2. I am off to Duxford today for the Battle of Britain Airshow. It's the anniversary airshow, 25 years. It's really early in the morning. You probably see the sun behind me. Might be a bit loud as well. But some of you may not know, I'm quite interested in aircraft. And it'll be a great photo opportunity for me, especially for Spitfires. I've never seen those flying before, I've only seen them in static displays. So, hope you enjoy. I'll probably be putting like uploads of photos of it, like a photo presentation with the sounds, because I got my Zoom H1 recorder with me. So I'll probably end up just overlaying the sounds of the air show. So, hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you later. So the start of the show started off with 3 Messerschmitts flying around, and then the air raid siren goes off and the Spitfires and Hurricanes are scrambled. Following that, a display with 3 Hawker Hurricanes, including 1 Sea Hurricane and the Bristol Blenheim, flying in formation. After that, there was a lovely display with 4 biplanes, including 1 American biplane. After that, there were 2 more biplanes, Hawker Nimrods. The next part saw 2 rather interesting aircraft, 2 F-15s from RAF Lakenheath, flying in formation with 2 Spitfires. After that, the Eurofighter Typhoon 18 for the anniversary with a Spitfire, both from the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Next up is an aerobatic display from the Aerostars with their Yak 50 aircraft. After that, a fantastic display from the Boeing Chinook from Squadron 27. Just before finishing, there was a B-17 Flying Fortress sailing. And finally, the conclusion to the air show, which was one of my favourite part of the air show. With so many Spitfires, probably about 20, all flying together. I hope you enjoy. Hey there guys, it's the following morning. The only reason why I'm doing this is because it was really late when I finished last night, because there were a few problems on the M11, so I couldn't get back to Cambridge after the Duxford Airshow, but I had a great time. I'm sorry about the shutter noise on some of the recordings, but I hope you enjoyed that, and I certainly did. It makes me feel proud to be British, I tell you that. Especially with the Spitfires at the end, that was pretty epic, about 20 Spitfires. The sound of the Merlin engines was amazing, and I hope you enjoyed the recordings as well. And with my new Zoom H1, I hope to do more with that. But anyway, I'm going to sign off, because it's early. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next one.